everybody, Guns and Games back here again with another video for you. This is the final part 5 of the AR-15 pistol build that I decided to do, where we price everything out and I show you exactly how much I spent and how close I got to my actual intended budget. So we'll go from the most expensive down to least expensive. So the most expensive thing on this gun was the upper I purchased from Hardened Arms, 10.5 inch barrel, quad rail, chromoly barrel, 1-in-7 twist, 5.56 chamber. That ran $199 from Hardened Arms plus shipping. I'm not going to factor shipping into anything, or transfer fees or whatever. Just the price that I paid for it, no tax, nothing like that. So the upper ran me $199, which I thought was a great deal. It did not include a bolt carrier or charging handle, but that was okay because I knew what I wanted to get. Next was the lower build kit from Palmetto State Armory. It did not include the strip lower. It included the pistol brace, the SP Tactical pistol brace, excuse me, and then all the buffer tube, buffer spring, all the other lower parts except for the strip lower itself. And that ran $139 from Palmetto State Armory plus free shipping. If you have occasionally Palmetto State Armory will have some good deals like that, and just wait and you'll be able to find some good deals on parts. The next expensive piece was the Optic, the Sig Romeo 5 red dot. I picked it up for $119 from Sportsman Outgood Superstore. That's the second one I bought from them. I was kind of upset because Academy had them on sale for $89, and for that price I was going to buy a couple of them just to have, because I really like this. I really like this site, but they were out of stock when I went to buy one. So if you look around, you can find some good deals. $119 is a great deal for this optic, especially considering it usually retails for around $150 to $160. Next is the next expensive is the Streamlight Protac rail mount 1. It came with the regular end cap. I installed the tail switch, which has the pressure pad on the top here. This was $100. It wasn't. No, it wasn't $100. It was $91.95. I got it on Amazon, one of their deals. Normally these run about $100, so saved a little bit of money there. It's so far it's been a great light. I really like it. I really like the pressure pad mount. The mount it came with isn't that great. The pressure pad kind of slides in it, but it'll do the job for what I need it for. Next, the bolt carrier group, the Toolcraft. It was magnetic particle inspected. A great bolt carrier group for, and I picked that up from Joe Bob Outfitters with the Strike Industries charging handle. I can get it. You can't really see it, but Strike Industries charging handle and the Toolcraft bolt carrier group I picked up from Joe Bob Outfitters. The bolt carrier group was $79.95, and the charging handle was $22.50. So a bolt carrier and charging handle for under $100, great deal. And going back a little bit, the Anderson strip lower I actually picked up from my local gun store because they stock Anderson lowers, and I didn't want to wait and pay shipping and a transfer fee on a Palmetto State Armory or an Aero Precision lower. So I went to my local gun store. I ordered these special. Still had to pay the transfer fee, but the price for the actual lower itself was only $35, which is excellent. You know, some people say Andersons are really bad or they're not mil spec. The threads for the grip screw aren't properly machined or something like that. I mean, I haven't had any problems with this lower, so for $35 I thought it was a great deal. Next, the lower parts kit from Palmetto State Armory. I'm just gonna take this sling off. Look at that. The lower parts kit from Palmetto State Armory came with just a standard A2 grip. I went ahead and upgraded to a Magpul just a Magpul standard FDE grip. That ran $14.95. The backup iron sights I got off of eBay. They're just knockoff Magpul sights. They work exactly the same. I haven't had any issues with them so far. That was $11.59. So I thought, oops, sorry, moving the camera. I thought rather than spend almost $100 on backup sights for, you know, something I'm probably not going to use was crazy. So I spent $11.59 and bought some backup iron sights. Hopefully they hold up. I guess we'll see. If they don't, then I can just spend $11 more and buy some new ones. And the single point sling, bungee sling, quick disconnect from the gun so you can take it off if you don't need it. That was $10 on eBay. I didn't see the point in spending, again, $50 on a sling, something that I'm not going to use that much. You know, call me stupid, call me what you will, but I don't see the point in spending $50 on a sling when I can get something that looks exactly the same. It might not be as high a quality, but it still works. And then the next is the GVN angled foregrip. Obviously, it looks pretty much exactly like a Magpul AFG. Again, got it on eBay. That was $7.99, so pretty good deal on that. And then finally, I bought a 4-pack of these ladder rail covers. Obviously, I've kind of modified them on my gun here to fit all the places where I had exposed rail. I got a 4-pack of those. I believe they're meant to fit a carbine length handguard, so that'd be 6.7 inches. I got a 4-pack of those for $5.50 off of eBay. They have all different colors you can find on eBay. I mean, just look around and you'll be able to find whatever color you're looking for. So how much did I spend total? Total, I spent $739.39. So I think I did a pretty decent job getting a complete gun for a pretty, I mean, I wouldn't say budget price because $739 isn't anything to sneeze at, but still, I'm happy with what I got for what I paid. Now, just the gun itself without any upgrades, no sights, no nothing, that'd be $199 for the upper, plus $139.99 for the lower. So that's $199 plus $139.99 plus let's see, plus the bolt carrier and charging handle, so that'd be $79.95 and $22.50. So for the total for the gun just itself to shoot it would be $440.43, which is that's pretty amazing that you can get a good quality gun for under $500 in today's market. I mean, you know, shopping, that's plus the lower, so that'd be at $35, so that would bump it up to what, $475, still under $500, well south. So I mean, you're getting a quality gun for under $500, and then it's up to you what you want to put on your gun to upgrade it to, you know, AR-15s are the Legos of guns, so do whatever you want to it. You know, whatever your heart desires, you can do to it. So this will be the last video of this series. We will definitely be doing some more shooting, more testing with this gun, but that concludes our AR-15 build series. So if you like this series, make sure you watch all 5 videos of it. There will be they're on my channel, so if you want to see all of them, make sure you go to Guns and Gains, subscribe so you never miss an upload. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. I'm interested to see how much anybody else has spent on a pistol build to get a quality gun for under $500. That seems to be the goal now, especially in today's market. So as always, this is Guns and Gains. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.